In this video, I'm going to show you how to track Jane app bookings as conversion events inside your Google Ads campaigns. This is going to be for any medical practice that's currently using Google Ads to get patients, and then it's also for clinics that want to start optimizing their Google Ads to get more Jane bookings instead of phone calls or contact form submissions. This is really easy to do. There's only 2 steps involved in getting this set up, and tracking your bookings can make a really big difference in not only your lead quality, but ultimately the profitability of your Google Ads campaigns if you're trying to acquire any patients. So normally when I take over a campaign for a new client, I find that most clinics are only tracking the big 3, and that's going to be contact form submissions, calls from the number on the website, and then calls from the phone number in the call extension. That's the little number that shows below the ad on mobile devices. Now, this is good and it's important that you're tracking these things, but you've got to remember when you're using smart bidding with Google Ads, it's going to go out and find you what you basically ask it for. So if you're asking it for phone calls, it's going to show your ads to people that like to call. And then the same goes for contact forms. And if you want your ads to show to more people that are likely to actually just book into your calendar using Jane all by themselves, you need to start tracking those bookings as conversion events in your Google Ads account. Once you do, Google's going to start to form a picture of who these people look like, and then it's going to be able to start putting your ads in front of more of those people more often. Here's a quick example. Earlier this year, we took over a campaign for a physical therapy clinic. It was in Miami. At the time when they started working with us, they weren't tracking their Jane bookings as conversions. We were just tracking the contact forms and then the phone calls. So we set up the tracking for the Jane bookings as well. And then within the first 6 weeks, the number of patients that self-booked after clicking their Google ad went from about 10% up to nearly 40%. And the cost per lead actually came down. So if you just think about that for a second, this specific client is now not only paying less for these leads, these patients are more motivated and they're more bought into the process, and they are tying up the front desk with calls and follow-ups for contact form submissions. So that's why this is so important to track these. To do this, you're going to need 2 things, and that is a Google Ads account and then your Jane account, and that's it. You do not need a Google Analytics setup for this, and you don't need a tag manager setup for this, just the ad account and just the Jane account. First, I'm going to show you how to set up the conversion event in your ad account, and then I'll show you how to set up the integration inside of Jane. We need to do it in this order because we need to set up the conversion event first and then grab the conversion ID before we can set up the integration over on Jane. So let's go take care of step 1 right now inside of the ad account. So after you've opened up your ad account, you're going to come over and click on goals, and then under conversions, you're going to click summary and then click on create conversion action. And you're going to deselect everything that isn't this last option right here, which is conversions offline. And if this doesn't say connect data source later, you can click this and then select skip this step, check this box and click done. And that's all you have to do there. Click save and continue. Now you can set this up as a purchase or a qualified lead. In this context, it doesn't really matter. So we're just going to pick qualified lead right now. Click edit settings. You're going to make sure that this is set to primary and not secondary. Then you're going to give it a name. So we'll type in something here real quick. We're going to scroll down and then check don't use a value for this conversion action. And then we're going to select 1 and then we're going to click done. Then come up, click save and continue. And then click finish. And then we're going to scroll down and we're going to open up the qualified lead conversions. And we're going to open this guy back up. And then we're going to come up to the URL here. And right here where it says CTLD or CTID, you're going to grab this little string. And this is the conversion ID number. So we're just going to copy that. We're going to use that later when we go over to the Jane account. So let's go do that right now. So we'll pop open the Jane account. What you're going to do once you get inside is you're going to click on settings and then you're going to click on integrations. Then scroll down to the bottom and you're going to click on get started next to Google Tag Manager. Now we've already got this set up for the client, but I'll show you what it looks like to set it up from scratch. What you're going to do is click add a tracker and you're going to click Google Ads, and then it's going to open up this little window here. This is where you're going to put the conversion ID in. That's the number we just grabbed from the URL. And then the customer ID number is a different one. I'll show you how to grab that right here. So go back to your Google Ads account. The customer ID number is this little string right here. It's 10 digits long. So just copy that, come back into Jane, paste it into customer ID, and then paste in that conversion ID we grabbed out of the URL. You can give it a name. I just named it Google Ads, and then click next. And that's it. You're all done. Your Google Ads account is now tracking your Jane bookings as conversions, and it can start to optimize for those bookings so you can get more people just like that seeing your ads. If you'd like us to run your Google Ads for your clinic, you can find the link down below with information on packages and pricing. I hope this was helpful. Have a great day.